Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason you keep getting this little pop-up on WhatsApp which tells you the download has failed. Now, whether you have an iPhone or Android, this is a very common issue, and the main reason why this does end up happening is most of the time due to for you not having sufficient iPhone or Android storage, but also the network connection of your device probably going out for some reason as well. So what does this look like? Well, pretty much if you ever run into this issue, the first thing you want to do is check your iPhone storage or Android storage. So you want to make your way over to your iPhone's or Android settings. You want to click on General, and you want to get to the area that shows your storage. Now you can see for me personally, I have a ton of storage that's pretty much being used up on my device, but I still have a few gigabytes saved up where I should theoretically have enough storage for me to go ahead and back up and pretty much do whatever I want to do on my device. But that definitely doesn't mean that what I'm downloading isn't this storage either. If it's a humongous file like 10 or 15 gigabytes, I pretty much won't be able to install it. So you want to make sure you have enough storage in your device of the file that you're trying to download. Now, another reason why this may be happening, if that's not the case, is that your network connection is faulty. So again, you want to go ahead and make your way over to your settings of your iPhone, and you want to make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is set up properly, or your data connection is set up properly too. And a majority of the time, this should end up fixing it as well. If you can just go ahead and verify that the connections are set up properly, then you're good to go. You can also make your way over to other App Store apps, like the App Store itself. You want to scroll through, see if things are loading. If everything's loading, then you're perfectly fine. If things are not loading, then I would recommend checking your connection. And that's pretty much the main thing you can do there. Now, another big thing I would recommend doing is once your Wi-Fi connection, everything is set up, is to update WhatsApp. So go ahead and make your way over to your App Store right here. You want to go and type in WhatsApp like this, and you want to go ahead and update this application. If it's an app that is severely outdated, I'm talking like it's completely outdated, you pretty much have no other choice but to update the application, because the majority of the time if something is faulty or wrong, you can update the app and that should end up fixing it as well. So those are pretty much the main ways to go ahead and fix WhatsApp if for some reason it's not working properly or if there's any other issues like that. If you have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that means so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.